Good afternoon, students. In this class, we will discuss about the difference between the liquid drop model and the nucleus. Here, the liquid drop model of the nucleus was first observed by Niels Bohr in the year 1936. It is based on certain marked similarities between the nucleus and a liquid drop. A comparative study of the similarities between a liquid drop and nucleus, it can be discussed in this lecture. First one is liquid drop. See here, liquid drop is, we know that, spherical in shape. Density of liquid is independent of its size or volume, and the intermolecular interaction between liquid drop or short range force, and the latent heat of vaporization is constant for a given liquid. And when a liquid drop is allowed to oscillate, what happens? It breaks into bigger liquid drop is break into smaller drops, and the force of surface tension acts on surface of a liquid drop. See, these are the properties of liquid drop. Like, liquid drop is spherical in shape. Density of liquid drop is independent of its size and volume, and the intermolecular attraction or force between the liquid drop is, it is short range. And another property, latent heat of vaporization. When liquid drop is allowed to oscillate, it can be broken into smaller droplets, and surface tension acts as surface of a liquid drop. And second one is nucleus. Here nucleus is also here spherical in shape. See both the difference between liquid drop and nucleus. Here nucleus is also spherical in shape. Density of a nucleus is independent of its size. The force between nucleons in a nucleus are short range. That is, nucleons interact only with the neighbors or immediate neighboring atoms, or nucleons. Here in case of nucleus, here nucleons, not atoms. And binding energy of a nucleus is constant. Here when nucleus undergo fission, you know that splitting of heavier nuclei into lighter nuclei, that is nuclear fusion. And there are two cases, one is fusion and another one is fission. And here there is a potential barrier at the surface of a nucleus, because to prevent the entry of alpha particles into the nuclear reactor core. See, these are the similarities between liquid drop and nucleus. See, in both the cases, liquid drop and nucleus is both are in spherical shape, and density of liquid drop and density of nucleus is independent of its size. In case of liquid drop, the intermolecular force is exist. In case of nucleus, the nucleons interaction between proton, neutron, proton exist. Here in both the cases, short range force appears. And in case of liquid drop, latent heat of vaporization is present, and in case of nucleus, binding energy of a nucleus is constant. Here in case of liquid drop, here bigger drop is broken into smaller drops. Here nucleus, heavy nucleus undergo fission, it break into smaller nuclei of comparable masses. And here in case of liquid drop, force of surface tension acts as a surface of a liquid. Here potential barrier acts as the surface of a nucleus. These are the similarities between liquid drop and nucleus.